So we're back in the Bedrock console here. I want to show you where you can find the information to interact with a different model. Because from one model to another one, the parameters can be different. So some of them is using camel case, some of them are different, some are using snake case. So let's go and browse to the model catalog here. Here we can see all the models that we have available. We're going to filter first for the Amazon models, and then we're going to open the Titan Tech CG1 Express. And then here that's going to open it up. And then let's go and find the Meta ones down here. And let's open Llama 3.2 on the side here as well. So now in the Titan, we can see the basic information here. But if we click on inference parameters and responses here, we're going to see some more detailed information about making a request. So when we send the request to the Bedrock endpoint, we need to send the input text and then the text configuration, text generation config. So here, if you look at the temperature name, tab P, max token count, and stop sequences, these are the values that we can send. And there's more detail about each one of these here, like the temperature, the tab P, max token count. But I want you to focus on how they spell and the ones that are available, and then compare those to the Meta one. So in the Meta here, if we go and open the same link and try to see more information about the model, how we can make a request. If we scroll down to the request, we can see that the object is completely different, or the JSON object here, right? If we compare these two side by side, right? This one is completely different than this one. So here we need to send the prompt in here, and then temperature is the same, but then tab P is tab underscore P, and then the max token is max underscore gen underscore length, right? So it's very different than the Titans. So you always got to check the information here on how you can make the request. For the response, you can look at the response. So the response, most of these are the same, but they can vary as well. So here we can see that for the Titan, we're going to get back the input text token count. The result is going to be a list or an array. And then we're going to have an object with the token count. Output text, this is actually the text that's going to be generated in the response, and then completion reason as well. If we look at the Meta one, we're going to have a generation, and that's where our response is going to be, or text that was generated. Then we're going to have prompt token count, generation token count, and stop reason as well.